class, this is Miss Champagne. I'm going to teach you how to do Rise word problem number 3, nuts in a bowl. And it says, scattered around the house are 100 nuts in 5 bowls. The first and second bowls together contain 48 nuts. The second and third bowls together contain 34. The third and fourth bowls together contain 30. The fourth and fifth bowls together contain 48. How many nuts are there in each bowl? When we look at our graphic organizer, the first column that we fill out is question. And the question is, how many nuts are there in each bowl? So I'm just going to write that. How many nuts are there in each? And remember that each is a very important word, bowl. I can infer, I'm going to skip, what do I know? I can infer that each means more than one answer. That's what the word each means. That's what your brain should figure out. All right, what do we know from the problem? We know how many pieces of information? We know 4 pieces of information. We know that the first and second add up to 48. We know that the second and third add up to 34. We know that the third and fourth add up to 30. And we know that the fourth and fifth add up to 48. As you can see, putting numbers can be a bit confusing because it looks like 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, and 4 plus 5. So when I go over here to my picture, I'm going to change that and I'm going to draw a picture of 5 bowls instead of putting first, second, and third. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I know those 5 together will add together to give me 100 nuts. So instead of calling it first, second, third, fourth, fifth, I'm going to call this bowl A, B, C, D, and E. Now let's go back to what we know. We know that the first and second bowls together contain 48. So I'm going to circle or put a box around the first and second bowls. And I know that they contain 48 nuts. The second and third bowls contain 34. The third and fourth bowls contain 30. The fourth and fifth bowls also contain 48. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to put a box around the fourth and the fifth bowl. These also contain 48 nuts. The only one I'm missing is bowl 3 or C. 48 plus 48 plus this number will give us 100. So we see how much 48 plus 48 is. I see that 8 plus 8 is 16. You put the 6, you carry the 1 plus 1 at the top. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Together, these 2 bowls have 96 nuts. So that means that bowl C has to have 4 nuts. So everywhere I see a C, I'm going to plug in the number 4.